Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're looking tonight at MicroStrategy stock. You can see this one today is finally up. We've got a green day this Friday. We're up by 2.6%. However, it clearly doesn't bring us up very much. We're going to be speaking about that and a lot more over the course of tonight's video. As always guys, if you do enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It does help me out quite a lot. I'd like you also to remember though, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now jumping straight into the video and coming over looking at the stock. A few things standing out to me at least. Yes, we are finally green. We are still breaking or having difficulty breaking above levels. These most notably are at the $293 range, so this is something to watch out for into next week. A push above 293 could take us all the way up to 300 of course. 300 could take us onto levels such as 307, 310, potentially very easily. However, I don't want to speak too soon, right? I really don't want to speak too soon on this one, because one green day, whilst being a good thing overall, it's not really a recovery from levels that we have seen recently, right? And in terms of going back historically looking at the stock, well, you have to go back a long way to see supports around this range. Yes, we did see supports in the 275, the 280s, but this is going right back to April, right? This is quite a long time ago. So in relatively recent times, we are into somewhat uncharted territories. And I think the issue can be, or could be, people getting a little bit too ambitious or optimistic with this increase in price, given the recent price trend that we have seen. So, you know, going to the downside, we want to see 280 hold up, 275, 279 even more realistically. Anything below the 270s, and I'm genuinely concerned here. Well, for me, I would not be buying on the next few days, to be honest. I'd have to wait and see whether we get that consolidation. And I know some people won't want to hear this, some people will want to buy now. Of course, this could be an interesting opportunity, as could be any time. But again, in terms of my personal risk reward, I'd be watching this one carefully, because we just don't have that yet confirmation, you know. We've not really broken above these levels, like I say. We're not above 299, 300 yet. That is going to be a key level of resistance to touch. Then 305, levels such as that. When we begin to climb up to that way, or when we begin to at least consolidate a bit more stably up here, then I have a lot more confidence. But at the moment, I'm simply watching this one with a lot of caution. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts and opinions on today on this stock, of course. Do drop me a comment in the comments. Thank you for your time, guys, and goodbye for now.